Hey, so for this, you're going to take this one, swing it down, wide up, far from your body, into this side. Hey, and then take 3 fingers, put it here, going to your chest over here, and then you're gonna go like, put your index and your thumb, put your index there, like this. Wait. My God, I promise. Yeah. So, gonna put this finger like this, and then conic by mistake. So, and then for this, we're gonna go take this finger, put it on here on the side, and then turn your body, and then ha ha ha. So for this, you can go like, and then take your finger. Hey guys, I'll be right back. I'm almost done with the dance, mommy. Bra bra bra. Shake shake shake. Bra bra. As guys, I'm not working. I just want to tell you guys this is part of the dance. Can't by mistake. I can't by mistake. I'm not mistake. Just a little crazy. That's a dance. So I'm gonna do it without going by mistake.